morning. My name is Amir Yusuf and I'm from class J4EM1104C. Based on the video that we have been given, the type of air conditioning is split unit and window unit. And for the four basic components, there are compressor, which the function is to increase the pressure by reducing the volume of the air. Condenser, which condenses the substance from gases to its liquid state. Expansion valve, which convert high liquid pressure to low pressure to control the rate of refrigerant entering the valve. And lastly is the evaporator to absorb the heat from inside the surrounding and remove it using split unit or window unit by using refrigerant.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Azman. And my metric number is 2070 253796. Okay, for the question 3, process flow of air conditioning system. First is evaporator. The evaporator is to absorb heat and release it using refrigerant. After that, the air will transfer to compressor, and the function of compressor is to increase the pressure of a gas by reducing its volume. Next, the flow is a condenser. Condenser is a device or unit used to condense a substance from its gases to its liquid state by cooling it. In so doing, the latent heat is given up by the substance and will transfer to the condenser coolant. Okay. Last is expansion valve. Expansion valve is where high pressure liquid is converted to low pressure liquid, and this will control the rate at which the refrigerant. The last is expansion valve. Okay, expansion valve is, in the expansion valve, high pressure liquid is converted to low pressure liquid, and this will control the rate at which the refrigerant enters the evaporation and is an amount equal to that being evaporated due to heat absorbed from the substance being cooled. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Maintenance is important Maintenance is important to ensure the conditioning system work properly. One of the maintenance work that can be done is cleaning the air filter. Over time, dust can accumulate at the air filter, causing the air filter to become clogged and thus reducing the performance of the air conditioning. Build-up of dust also carry dust through the air filter to the coil. The build-up in dust in coil can reduce the heat transfer, thus reducing the performance of the air conditioning. It's also recommended to clean both air filters and coil in order to maintain the good condition of the air conditioning performance. That's all from me. My name is Muhammad Shafiq Iqman, and thank you for watching.